If you're considering buying JOGG PTE, there are a few crucial things you need to know before making that decision. With so many options in the market today, it's important to understand where JOGG PTE stands in comparison to its competitors. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear idea of whether it's the right choice for you. First, let's talk about pricing. JOGG PTE offers competitive pricing, especially when you compare it to similar platforms that often have hidden fees or high initial costs. With JOGG PTE, what you see is pretty much what you get, and it offers a good balance between affordability and features. What's even better? You can try it completely free with the link in the description below, giving you a risk-free opportunity to test it out before committing. Next thing, JOGG PTE is known for its user-friendly interface. This is a big deal because many competitors in the space can feel overwhelming for new users or require a steep learning curve. But with JOGG PTE, the design is intuitive and you can start using it right away, saving time and frustration. Whether you're managing projects, data, or client communications, the system is straightforward to navigate, and this ease of use is one of its standout features. The third thing to note is its integration capabilities. JOGG PTE integrates smoothly with many other tools you're likely already using, whether it's email, social media management, or analytics platforms. This flexibility is important because it means you won't have to change your entire workflow just to accommodate one tool. It syncs with the tools you already know, making the transition seamless. The fourth thing is automation. One of JOGG PTE's key selling points is its automation features. Automating repetitive tasks can save you hours each week, and this platform delivers in that department. Compared to its competitors, JOGG PTE offers a higher level of customization in automation, meaning you can fine-tune how tasks are handled to suit your exact needs. Whether it's follow-ups or data processing, the system can handle it efficiently. The fifth thing is customer support. If you're investing in any software, you want to know you can rely on solid support if things go wrong. With JOGG PTE, their customer service is responsive and professional, providing both chat and email support. In contrast, some other platforms can leave you in the dark when you need help, with slow responses or limited contact options. JOGG PTE's support is one of the reasons many users stay loyal to the platform. Next thing, security. JOGG PTE places a strong emphasis on keeping your data safe with top-tier encryption and regular updates to security protocols. This is something you really want to consider, especially if you're dealing with sensitive information. In the age of data breaches, knowing that your data is in good hands is crucial, and JOGG PTE provides a level of security that rivals the best in the industry. Lastly, JOGG PTE is scalable. Whether you're a small business or a growing enterprise, this platform is designed to scale with your needs. Unlike other software that might require you to upgrade to expensive enterprise packages as you grow, JOGG PTE offers flexibility that can support your business through all stages of growth. If you want to try JOGG PTE, remember to click the first link in the description below. Not only will you get the best free trial, but you'll also unlock some exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Don't miss out on the chance to experience JOGG PTE firsthand and see how it can streamline your business operations.